Got off of work and I'm hungry, so we finna cook. Y'all boys see the ways, yes sir. I'm lazy and I really don't be knowing what to cook because I promised myself I'm gonna only eat out twice a week. So we cooking some Salisbury steak because it's easy to make. Another quick meal to make. This might be a series now, 30-minute meals or less. So I got some rice. And what we going to do, I'm gonna pop that in there. Ooh, that's a dirty. So I've been seeing this thing on TikTok that's saying it will show everybody hates Chris. Rochelle is the real villain, and now I'm curious to see, is she really? But so we're just gonna cut up our onion. We're gonna add some bacon grease to it, just to add a. We're just gonna pop them up on there. Seasoned it with a little bit of that 21 seasoning again, so that bacon grease gonna add already good flavors to it. So now that the meat is done, you're just gonna take them out. Onions to it. You're gonna let the onions cook down a little bit more. And now what they doing is they soaking up all of that flavor from the bacon grease, the char and the giblets, the crispy parts from the. You're gonna add some flour to it because you're gonna get ready to start a roux. That jambalaya, just gotta stir it up and let it get brown a little bit. Yeah, look, it's already. The gravy's turning a little color. I want it a little bit darker. You see the onions are getting crispier, so they adding that flavor to it. It's almost like they're frying it. I'm gonna add beef broth too. We're gonna let it get a little thick. Let it cook on low. Yeah. So now we're gonna add our meat back to it. This is how Salisbury steak kind of look like Ed Foo Young. I don't know how I feel about that, but it looks good though. Try. Got the rice with the gravy and the onions. Look how good that looks. Oh, my stomach is grumbling. See? Oh my gosh. I never disappoint. I haven't had this in a little minute too. The gravy will really set it off. If you have good gravy, you can throw it on a burnt piece of toast and it's gonna still taste good. But the meat is cooked perfectly. The gravy seasoned perfectly with the onions, and the rice is cooked perfectly. Quick 30-minute meal. Thanks for watching another Good Vibes Eatery cooking video. Keep the vibes good and the eats even better. Peace.